Good morning, everybody. Just putting in a couple of grammar lessons for you to start the day. Some of you are beyond this lesson, but I do want to go through it a little bit. So, one of your grammar lessons is comma use with introductory items and parenthetical expressions. So, let's go through a little bit what that means. So, introductory material, you'll see it could be after a word. So, you'd use a comma after an introductory word. So, my sample sentence is, well, comma, I don't know about this, or please, comma, let me sleep a little longer. These are just a couple of examples. There are a lot more words that do this same job, but that's what it would look like. You could also have an introductory phrase, so you would use your comma after your introductory phrase. So it might be something like, of course, comma, I know what day it is, or I don't mind staying in my pajamas all day. Another one it could follow is clauses. And if you remember clauses, those are like a sentence. It has a subject and a verb. Independent stands by itself. Dependent needs something else to make it a full sentence. So you could use a comma after an introductory clause, these mini sentences. So if you ask me, comma, too much screen time gives me a headache. Or when I opened my email, comma. So these would be a clause because you have the subject you and ask is your verb. And the second one you have I opened. All right, the second half of that lesson is parenthetical, which means it pops up in the middle of your sentence and interrupts your thought. So it could be that you're talking directly to someone and it's the name of the person you're addressing. So it could be, I know, comma, Susan, comma, that you really miss grammar class. I know you all do. Another one, it could be please. Notice we have an introductory word there. Oh, Mr. Moose started vacuuming. Take your time, comma, Jimmy. Another section could be certain adverbs. These are the two most common that you'll come across. So it could be something like, I think, comma, however, comma, we have enough toilet paper. I hope you do. Another sentence is, it appears, comma, therefore, that we will become computer professionals. So there's a couple adverbs that might interrupt. So parenthetical means those interrupters. So another one is common expressions. So it could be a phrase that's, I do, in fact, need my morning coffee, or the weather looks nice, comma, I hope. As I say that, there's a bunch of snow outside my window. So I hope those two get you started. If you have some questions on any of this, just let me know and I'll try to answer them as best I can. I'll post this video so that you can go back to it whenever you need to. If you're already past this lesson, then I guess you don't need to worry about it. So hope you're all doing well. See you soon, I hope.